Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can send disappearing photos on Messenger chat. So if you want to send anyone disappearing photos, that it will open the photos and after once it close it will disappear. So for that just open your Facebook Messenger and go to chat where you want to send any photos. So when you are on your chat, at the top right side you can see the eye option. Just simply click on this eye option and now scroll down, and here you will find an option called disappearing messages. Just simply click on this disappearing messages. Now there are two options, off and 24 hours. If you just click on this 24 hours, when you click on this 24 hours, when you send any message, any photos after clicking 24 hours, then this message or photos will be deleted in this chat after 24 hours. So this is a way you can send disappearing messages or disappearing photos in your Facebook Messenger chat.